Okay, this video is about how to do like a smoke effect with fire. See, when I'm moving right, comes out, and then moving back. So this is pretty much using like an emitter special effect. Let me show you how I did that. Alright, so in the player object we have a step event. Go to add event, step, then let's see, okay, so you want to grab a coded sheet and the first thing you're going to say is if speed is less than 0, then open bracket effect create underscore below EF underscore smoke. So there's other effects you can do with Game Maker. So you have fireworks, explosion, rain. You can do any of these effects here. Just replace it, instead of the smoke, you would just replace it with firework, flare, or whatever you want to do. I can try to do a flare real quick, see what that looks like, but I see it looks kind of different, see. So you can play around with that. I'm just going to do the smoke for right now. And then you have X coordinate at 12, Y is at 20. So this is your positioning where you want it to be located at on your spaceship. And then it's gray. You can change that to any color you want to. Do yellow just to show you. And then you can change this number here to a higher number here, and that I think will make it larger or smaller. Yeah, see, it kind of makes it bigger. And then you want to also so you can adjust it using the XY coordinates here, or you can actually go into the edit and adjust it using the crosshairs. So I actually adjusted it using the crosshairs. So I made mine X and Y minus 18 and minus 10. So the crosshairs, I believe, are way up here at the top of the ship. So when you play the game, it's going to be right here for some reason. So yeah, you can mess with the crosshairs. Also, you can mess with the XY coordinates here as well, just to get adjusted to your liking. So you can change this number to a higher number, like 1 or something. You could probably change it to like 2 and see what happens there. I think that makes it even bigger. Yeah, way too big. And it kind of slows down your processor. So just I make it 1.0 or something. Then the second, do I have? Oh, okay. So I have a second one here. So when he moves at a speed of 10, it's going to have an orange effect happen. Well, I think it's less than 10. So when he's not moving, it's going to show that orange effect. See the orange effect? When he moves, it goes away, it disappears. Pretty much goes away. When he's not moving, it shows the orange effect. So that's like the fire coming out of the ship, and then when you move, then it shows the smoke happening. So I have two special effects happening here, but different colors. So I think this is like you're subtracting 10 from the ship, so when he's not moving, it's going to show this orange effect, and then when he moves, then it's going to show this yellow effect. I probably should say maybe 10, not 0. Okay, so yeah, see that messed it up completely. So you keep it at 0 then. I don't know if you really need to have that number on this one or not. Let me make this 0, see what happens. I see you don't even see the orange of smoke come out, so yeah, you need to have that number in there. So put that at 10. Maybe if you put it at 30, maybe it makes it smaller or something. Let me see. No. I think it actually shows the orange effect happen when, because I had it at 10 and it didn't show the orange effect. So you just got to play around with these numbers here, because it looks like if you have it at 10, it'll show the orange effect there, but when you move, you don't hardly see it. But if you change the numbers to 30 or higher, or 20 and higher than 10, then it starts showing the orange effect when you're moving. So that's that. So then you have an end step there, and this is for if you're using Android, you press the back key and it exits the game. Then you have, well, nothing there. It's just the 1. But for the enter button, I have, you want to exit the game, but also you want to pretty much room instance clear. You want to clear everything, and that's going to clear the emitters, but I would also probably even put, so you're pretty much going to get rid of everything in the room. This is what that's saying. So when you exit the game, it's going to get rid of everything in the room, so you don't have a memory leak in your game. But I also would probably put in the particles and extras, I would say destroy particles and destroy emitter. Clear all particles. Maybe I say clear all particles. Clear all particles, and then destroy all emitters. But see what happens when I do that. Let me press enter and see what happens. Okay, so it exits game, but that would pretty much be the safe thing, and also add destroy emitter and clear all particles. Copy that and put it in the end step as well for when you're messing with your Android device. So when you exit, press the back key on your Android device. It's going to also clear the emitter and the particles too, because you don't have a memory leak in your game. And then I've already talked about the outside room, where you hit the room and it bounces from side to side or up and down when you're moving. In this tutorial, I only have the ship going left and right, and then when you release, he stops. And that's pretty much up for this tutorial here. Just like I said, with emitters, you can, like I said, change this to anything you want. I mean, well, within what GameMaker provides. You know, ellipse, explosion, fireworks, rain, ring, smoke, snow, spark, star. So just use any of those effects to make your special effect happen in your game. And you could also apply the smoke effect to the previous video I did with the torch. Add the smoke effect to that. So I may make a video on that as well, where you have the fire and then you have that smoke effect happen in the background. Alright, thanks for watching.